you're a business owner, career professional, or even a creative, you need a website in 2026, and I mean it. But when I say website, I don't mean you need to hire a web developer to build out a website for you. I built out this website that you can see right here in Canva. Yeah, and I mean it, Canva. And just take a look at it. It looks really good, right? It looks very modern and clean. And that's exactly what I'll be showing you in this video. I'll be showing you exactly how to build a simple, clean, and minimalistic website using Canva. And you may be thinking, Esther, is Canva not for graphic design? I use Canva to create Instagram posts. Well, that's correct. And Canva can do a whole lot more. And in this video, stick with me because I'll be showing you exactly how to build out your own Canva website from scratch. To build out your site, you want to go over to Canva. So this is Canva right here, and then make sure you're on templates, right? On the templates tab, and now search for websites. So you can either start from scratch, but no, we don't want to start from scratch. There are so many options that Canva gives us. In this video, I'll actually be showing you how to build out a website for a product photography business or owner. So let's look at all the templates that Canva gives us. Canva gives us a huge selection of templates, and some of these are premium templates, like you see right here, right? Premium templates are the ones that have the crown, and the free templates are the ones without the crown. You can really go very far with just the free templates like this. So let's select one. Which should we select? Let me see. So I'm actually going to select this because this has to do with photographs. So let's see. Remember, we're building a website for a product photographer. So let's select that. So right now, all you need to do is to begin to make edits to this design. So I'm going to call this by Esther Adebayo. And obviously, you notice that it spills to the third line. So I'm just going to reduce the font size a bit. That's perfect. Alright, so one of the things I always say before you start building out any website at all, you need to have the content ready, because that's what will influence how the website would flow. So to have your content ready, I always use my go-to tool, ChatGPT. So I have ChatGPT right here open, and I'm just going to prompt it by saying I need to write complete copy for a single page scrolling website for a product photographer, right? And tell you all these details. I send this in, so ChatGPT will actually be generating the content that I'll be adding to the website in Canva. So that's really it. I can take this particular part and go into Canva and make edits right here. So you can always tweak the title by saying this is Esther Adebayo. You get the idea, right? You tweak the title and the content to your own taste. Another thing I want to quickly show you right here is the ability to link a page. So for every website, there's a call to action that you always want to have, right? So let's say I want this action to be book Esther. So I could just really take this down as well. I'm actually just going to modify a couple of things. Reduce the fonts, and underneath here I'm gonna say book Esther, book me for a session. So obviously I don't need this to be in capital letters, and I don't need this to be bold letters as well. Take the font size down. This is the primary call to action, right? And all I need to do is to link this to wherever I have my contact details right here. So I have my contact details right here at the very bottom. Somehow I still feel this is too bold or too large, so I'm gonna actually make it an italics. And then these three dots right here, I'm actually gonna click on link. So when we want to link, you see there's an option to either link to an external URL or to a page in this document. So we're going to select a page in this document. Each of these pages are called sections, and remember it's the very final section, so I'm going to link it to section 9. So that's about it. Once a user visits this website and clicks on book me for a session, they immediately land in here. So if you want to also make edits to the overall color, maybe you feel this is too white, what you can do is to go into brand, So I'm using a paid plan. So in brand, you will notice that there are different colors. You can shuffle the colors just like this and then apply to all pages. So I can apply to all my pages. You see here that everything has changed. It looks a bit better. Of course, I can tweak the colors as well. I can change this to a white color and change all the yellow to a white color. And that's about it. Once you have the content that suits you, all you need to do is to go over to preview. You can preview your site, which is how it will look like with all the animations. And to be fair, this looks really good, right? And then you can see how it looks like on mobile. It's important to create a mobile responsive website because many of your customers will be visiting you from mobile. So if it looks really good, all you need to do is to close out from here and then click on publish website. This is the initial URL that is the default URL that Canva gives you, and then you can add a subpath. So I'm just going to call this product photography, and that's the URL. So this is the entire URL for this website we just built. Now in terms of settings is very useful when you probably want to improve the SEO for your website. So I'm going to toggle the search engine visibility and make sure it's on. Every other thing is optional. In terms of the pages, this is very useful for SEO purposes. So you can either type it manually by yourself or click on this really nifty feature which is AI powered to fill in all the options for you. I'm just going to click on this and see what it generates and fills in for us. So this is saying a photography portfolio. Perfect. Explore. I'm going to say Esther Adebayo's photography portfolio, right? And we can always tweak it. So continue to publish. And now once we are good with all our SEO settings and the page titles, I can then click on publish. And that's about it. Canva is going to publish our website for us in a second. Perfect. Yep. Let's take a look at the website we just designed now. So this is the website, Photographs by Esther Adebayo. We have our book me for a session call to action right at the top, and we have all the various sections of our website, and this is really good. So when I click on this book me for a session, we see that it scrolls all the way down to the contact details of the website, and that is just amazing. This is exactly how to get yourself online in the easiest and quickest way. You didn't need to pay for a web designer or a web developer, and you didn't need to build from scratch. You had useful templates that you could pick from. Canva is great for one-page websites. So if you're thinking about building a portfolio, a website for your small business, and really just having an online presence, then I'll say go with Canva because it's very simple. Go ahead to build out your website on Canva and let me know how it goes. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, and tell me in the comments if you'll be using Canva for your website. My name is Esther, and on this channel I teach you how to use AI tools to build faster and smarter, and I'll see you in the next one.